Is it on me? Pat? Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Taylor and today we're going to be making bleach tie-dye sweatsuits. I'm so excited about this. I have been doing my research and I've seen these on Instagram everywhere, even though I'm pretty sure this trend started on TikTok. But I do want to say I have always loved tie-dye. Me and my friends literally started a little business when we were younger and sold tie-dye t-shirts. That's what we used to love to do. I used to have a ton of tie-dye kits and now I can't find them, but we have bleach. I think the bleach distress look is so cute. I love it and I've been super into loungewear. If you guys are new here, don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to give this video a like at the end of the video if you do enjoy it. I'm going to be sharing all my tips and how to do this in the simplest way. Not to mention, this whole project is literally under $20 and it could be less for you if you already have a sweatsuit that you want to dye, but the one that I found, y'all, it was literally $16. I will be linking all of the stuff that you need in the description below if you don't have these things at home and you have to order them. Okay, why don't we just get started? So the first thing you need is obviously a sweatsuit, preferably black. It could be a dark blue, something in the darker shades obviously. I love the look of the bleach going on these, so I chose a black one. I did order this on Amazon and I did my research beforehand because I wanted something that was kind of good quality so I could wear it often. And this was the one I found. They are both in men's sizes because I wanted the oversized look, and they are by the brand Hanes. I'm sure everyone has heard of Hanes. I got the sweatshirt in a size medium. I probably could have went bigger, but I wasn't sure. Some people were commenting that they do run on the larger side. And in the sweatpants, I got a size small. I did not try on either one of these pieces, so it's gonna be a little bit of a surprise, but I did wash and dry these when they came in the mail. So those two things are from Amazon. Like I said, those will be linked in the description below. I believe the sweatshirt was $9 and the sweatpants were $7. The next things that you're going to need are obviously bleach. We are going to be mixing bleach with water. So yeah, you're going to need access to water for this. Depending on how you want this to come out, I decided I'm going to use a spray bottle because I think it'll disperse the bleach and water easily. If you don't have one of these at home, definitely check out the links below. I will be linking a few options for a spray bottle. Of course, you are going to need rubber bands. I literally just found these in one of my craft kits and it's a bunch of different sized rubber bands, but any rubber bands work. And lastly, we're going to be using what everybody probably has right now, and that's gloves. You can also set up a plastic bag outside if you want to protect wherever you're bleaching on, but that's it. That's all the products you're gonna need for this. Okay, so now we're going to use our rubber bands and start scrunching our clothes. As I mentioned, I did wash and dry these beforehand, so they are clean. And basically, I'm gonna do a little trial and error before I share exactly what I'm doing. So I have actually never tie-dyed sweatpants before. I've done a sweatshirt, but I'm going to do the scrunch method. And I'm just going to start scrunching upward. So as you can see, one of my hands is just, you know, holding the scrunched pieces and the other one is scrunching inward. And then after I have a good majority of the leg scrunched up, I'm going to be tying it with some rubber bands. And I'm going to continue just scrunching upward. This obviously does not have to be perfect. Tie-dye is never supposed to be perfect, and everybody just makes it their own. That's the fun of it. Okay, so as you can see, I just have two little scrunched up pieces, and I'm gonna do the other side. So on to the next leg, same thing, just gonna start scrunching it inward and keeping it pretty tight so it's easier to rubber band. So I just kind of crisscrossed them to make them a little bit tighter, and I'm just gonna keep adding as many as I want. Again, kind of just making it your own. And I'll do the rest of the leg. Then after I did the rest of the leg, I am going to just be kind of tying this all up with a few rubber bands. This way you have like different sections to spray, and you know, we have a lot to work with here. Okay, so that is the finished product for the leggings, the sweatpants. We'll see how this comes out. It's super random, but there's a method to my madness, I promise. Next is the sweatshirt, and I'm going to start with the sleeves and do the same technique. And going to kind of do the crisscross method here too. If you have like big chunks sticking out, I just put this rubber band here just to like separate it, because if you have a big chunk, it's gonna just bleach that entire chunk. Sleeves are done. And now for the main part. This is where I'm a little nervous. So I'm kind of just playing with how I'm gonna do this, but I think I'm just gonna scrunch upwards. So like this, I'm just gonna scrunch the entire thing upward. And then I'm gonna turn it in like this and rubber band this part. So basically I'm just throwing a bunch of rubber bands on here to keep it together. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but we shall see, right? So I don't know how much I was able to catch on camera, but basically I started with the sleeves, rolled up the center part, and then just rubber band the entire thing together. It kind of looks a little funky, but I feel like it's gonna be fine. I'm definitely gonna be able to spray into all these little crevices. All right, now let's go bleach this thing. All right guys, so basically I mixed about a cup of water and a cup of bleach in this. I have my gloves on, and I'm just gonna start spraying. I'm just gonna start spraying into the crevices, kind of doing this random. Obviously I'm outside, so it doesn't matter where it goes. You can literally already see it dyeing. It's starting to turn brown a little bit, which is a good sign. So after you get a good amount on the first side, I'm kind of just spraying randomly, to be honest with you. I think that's what's gonna look best. I'm gonna flip it over and get the back side. I think doing it with a spray bottle is probably the best thing because it gives it that messy look. And make sure you get in all those crevices. Okay, so I don't even know what this is. I don't know if it's, oh, this is the sweatshirt. I'm gonna put this over here and I'm gonna start the sweatpants. Same type of thing. Getting into the crevices, kind of just spraying all over. I like how when you bleach it, you can literally see it happening in real time. It's really neat. Now with the big pieces that clearly came out of the rubber band, I'm kind of just gonna give them a good spray. All right, now I'm just gonna check out the shirt and kind of open up to see if there's any spots that I wanna add a spray to. So my sweatpants are kind of coming undone because I'm kind of just messing around and pulling them out. But that's what this is all about. Being creative and just figuring out what looks good. So I just sprayed these basically to death, and now I'm going to leave them on for about 8 to 10 minutes. They're looking like they're already baking, which is pretty good. I'm really excited to see what these look like. So I'll check back with you guys in around 8 to 10 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been about 10 minutes. I'm loving the color. So now I'm going to start washing this out, taking off the rubber bands. So I don't know if you guys can even see this because of the lighting, but there is like murky water because of the bleach. And you want to like knead that out of the sweatshirt and the sweatpants. That's what I was talking about earlier. I don't know if I left that in, but the water was clear. And now it is not clear. Rinsing this out until you see clear water. Okay guys, we were in like my washroom area, and oh my gosh, my wrist hurt from like rinsing that out. Like that was a forearm and wrist workout. It is in the washer. I'm going to fill this up with some detergent. Obviously you don't have to fill it all the way because it is just one sweatsuit and not a full load. And to be honest with you, I wasn't sure what thing to put this on. I was gonna put it on cotton, but I think I'm gonna put it on delicates because it is only one item. Well, 2 items, you get what I'm saying. And it is on cold, and we're just gonna start it up. All right, guys, it officially came out of the dryer. I'm so excited to share this with you guys. It is so cute, but let me show you the final result.
same angle?
More like this.
No, but I mean like, yeah, that's good.
Okay guys, I am obsessed with this outfit. I think I'm going to make so many more, and I think it came out so good. We just spent a few minutes shooting some pictures and some video for this. You'll probably see some pictures on my Instagram, so follow me on Instagram if you don't already. Give this video a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys are gonna make one, because is this not the cutest thing? And it's less than $20. Like, come on. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will talk to you guys next time. Bye.